Ethereum 5 minute 0.7 setup from that high to this low. Nice 5 minute rejection. So the previous equal highs, represented by this blue line, is getting back tested as we speak, in line with that 0.7. 5 minute rejection candle. Didn't want to enter short, but I'll put the trade box there with stop loss at the high and take profit at the lows. See what happens. Break and retest on the 1 minute time frame. Retest, nice touch, moving lower. Looks good, but yeah, time will tell. Not really bothered, to be honest. Bitcoin trade, Ethereum on the 1 minute played out 5R trade 0.7. Took about 8 hours, 45 minutes. That's about it really. Overnight trade. It played out, so well done, I guess.